So now you know how to open emails, how to check your inbox, how to check sent items and drafts, and a bunch of other stuff. I do highly suggest that you check out all of the options that you have and mess around with it a bit. It's the only way to actually learn. But I do want to show you one more really cool thing. At the end of this top menu, you can see these three dots. If you click on them, there's a bunch of things you can do with emails. And because I've got Mr. Sawani's email highlighted here, I can mark it as unread or flag or pin or ignore or create a rule or print. This is what I want to show you, this show an immersive reader. If I click on this, it takes me to this screen, and it's cool because it will read it to me. Now, just so you know, you probably didn't hear that voice. And the reason you probably didn't hear it is because this screencast-o-matic doesn't give you the voice from the computer. But trust me, it was reading it to me as it was highlighting. Now, you can do a couple of things with this as well. You can decide how fast the voice speaks. I suggest going kind of slow because it's hard for our brains to kind of hear things quickly. And you can decide if you want a male voice or a female voice. So that is kind of cool. And if you're done with that, you just go back and you can see the email again, and it's no problem at all. One other thing I want to show you. There is this little gear here, and this gear lets you actually customize your own kind of screen when you're in the Microsoft 365, not just Outlook. So you can see I chose this theme, but there's quite a few themes that you can choose. Again, it's as easy as clicking it to change it, and you can totally make it all your own. Everything in here is kind of in the cloud. It's all online. It's not saved on your computer. So go right ahead. And again, mess around with it a little bit. See how you would like your screen to look. Now, at any time, if you have to go back to Teams or you have to go to PowerPoint or anything like that, that's this 3x3 grid in the top left corner here, right next to where it says Outlook. When you click on that, you can see all of your different apps that are in this. So if I decide I want to go to Word, I can just click on Word and start a new blank document. So I think that's it that I'm showing you for today. Good luck with the bingo. Have fun. Talk to you soon.